Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC in this 2009 Pontiac Vibe. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. It really helps out a lot. So what we're going to do is just turn our car on. And then we're going to turn our temperature all the way to the coldest setting, turn our AC on, and then turn our blower on 4. Then we're going to pop our hood and go under the hood. And right here is our low pressure port, so we're going to take that off, and then we're just going to snap our fitting right down on top of that. Just like that. Then we can look at our pressure here. You can see it already is pretty good. But what we're going to do is just fill it up a little bit more. So we're going to squeeze the trigger, then oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Just let the engine draw that coolant into the system. So what you're seeing right now is what you actually want to see. You want to see that needle just stay in a steady spot, just like that. And make sure you look down there and make sure your compressor is actually spinning. If you're low, what will happen is your compressor will kick on and your needle will draw down. And when it gets low, your compressor is going to shut off, and then your needle will pop back up. And then the compressor will kick back on, the needle will draw down until it gets low, and then the compressor will shut off and it'll pop back up. So what you want to do is you want it so it's just steady like this. So you want to fill it up until it's in the green here, and it's just holding steady, just like that. So if this video is helpful for you, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.